we're going to put on a Werks Quiet Ride windshield. All we need is a Torx 25, T25. The instructions, very straightforward. Torx T25. And brand new Quiet Ride windshield. So let's take off the moldings. Set these aside. On the moldings, the wide end goes up. These are the long, fully threaded bolts to hold the molding on. Molding. Don't really need this 1/4-inch drive ratchet. Let's take off our stock windscreen with 2 mounting bolts. These are shouldered, got a shoulder on them. And the stock windscreen comes off just like that. Put those 2 bolts down for a moment. I'll set this aside. Let's grab both these shorter shouldered bolts. Let's go right on with the Werks Quiet Ride windscreen. Let's get 1 bolt started. Let's start the other shouldered bolt. To push on the windshield to kind of push it into position to get the holes to align. Let's put some pressure here, and that's just fine. Note this bolt is the shoulders going in. And let's see if we can get this shoulder to fit into the windscreen hole. It takes just a little pushing and pressure on the screen to flatten it. Now let's just snug them both up. bit of pressure. Just hand tight only, doesn't have to be very tight. That's plenty tight. Plenty tight. Let's grab one molding. Let's get both bolts started. And one more molding. Let's line up the bolts. Get the bolts both started. Where's the bolt hole at? There we go. Okay, this one is not cooperating with me. Let's find out why. Looks like it does not want to start. Do a quick test. That starts just fine. Snug these down evenly, a little bit on top, a little bit on bottom. Just about hand tight is all this takes, not much torque. And that is it. Quiet Works windscreen. Werks Quiet Ride windscreen, I should say. Many thanks to Terry for such a fine product. Let's go give it a test ride.